back with another vlog today, guys. Kumusta kayo? And we're back with another vlog today. What's up, Facebook? What's up, YouTube? So today we are gonna be doing an unboxing for the Konzert KX-400 Plus. So we're also gonna be doing a sound test, and we're gonna try to check this thing out to see if it's legit. Let's go. So this is the KX-400. Okay. So this is a multimedia home speaker. So this is the 3 speakers. So we're gonna get the speakers out. Here's the other speaker. Third speaker. It should take it. Alright guys, so here's a little bag with the stuff inside it. Let's check it out. So it comes with a remote. This is the remote that is gonna control. Ito yung magko-control lahat ng mga sa multimedia speaker natin. So itabi natin muna yan. So what else did it come with? It also comes with an RCA, 2 auxiliary in case gusto mo i-plug in sa cellphone mo or sa TV. And it also comes with the warranty card and the service, the authorized service centers too. So kung halimbawa, it happens to get damaged or something's wrong with it, you can bring it to the service centers located near your area. So maganda yan, may 1-year warranty siya, guys. So that's good. And here's the instructions here, how to set it up. And we also have the AM/FM antenna wire. 8 inches subwoofer siya. Malakas to. So, here we go guys. May papakita lang ako sa inyo. I'm gonna show you guys. It's very easy to set this thing up. As you can see, it's color coded. Front left, front right, and the FM/AM antenna. As a matter of fact, lalagay na natin yan. Yan. And we also have the center here. And this is for the auxiliary here. It's gonna go here. These 2 wires are gonna go in there. Alright, so as you can see guys, may lettering siya. This is for the left speaker and it's colored white. This is for the center, it's colored black. And this one is for the right and it's red. So ikakabit lang natin guys. Alright guys, kakabit na natin. So right is red. Here you go. It's gonna go there, and we're gonna connect the center speaker, which is black, to black. And last but not least, we got the left speaker, which is white to white. All right, so now we just gotta plug it in. All right, guys, so naka-set up na siya. Let's turn it on. So meron siyang switch dito. Buksan lang. All right, guys, so as you can see, naka-ano siya. It's on. May ilaw siya. May mga mode siya dito. Oh. You can go next. Here, hold on. Here we go. Next. Pause, play. Equalizer. Repeat. Meron din siyang slot for SD card and USB. So you can actually play your music through the USB also. Alright guys, so we're gonna connect it to the Bluetooth to the computer right now.
FM radio mode. Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth.
Alright, this is the sound test guys. So kung gusto niyo marinig to, you need to put a headset on. Oh, by the way guys, so the max for this volume is actually 62, pero mas maganda wag kang lumampas kasi baka mabasag yun eh. So here we go. So as you can see guys, napakalinis yung tunog niya. If I can rate it from 1 to 10, yung linis ng tunog niya is like, 9 out of 10. Maganda siya. Not bad for a multimedia speaker. So guys, I don't actually have a USB. Wala akong USB, so I'm just gonna use this for my phone. And also, I'm sure you guys are wondering if pwede to sa karaoke. And actually, I've tried this thing out, and I think it's good for karaoke. I'm actually gonna do a little demo for you guys, okay? And as it says in the box, it's got Bluetooth FM tuner, 4,000 watts. And we got the USB SD playback, and this is what it comes with, guys. So not bad for the speaker. SRP is 3,999 pesos. So for those of you who's looking for multimedia home system, sound system, for a small house, for a small room, this is perfect right here. The bass also is very good. I love the bass. The bass is really good. Tama-tama lang yung bass. Speaker. So let me go ahead and show you the features that it has. So first things first, kung gusto nyo patayin yung ilaw, pwede patayin. As you can see, marami siyang modes ng LED. So may LED 1, may LED 2, LED 3, and LED 4, and LED 5. Meron pang 6, and off. So if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off. That's fine. And the good thing about this also is you can adjust the bass, you can lower it, and also the treble too as well. So here we go, guys. It's here. You can just see it here. See? So we can adjust the bass up to 5 only. Okay. And we can lower it all the way because the bass is really high actually. Baka magalit yung kapitbahay natin. And the treble too, you can higher that too as well. So make sure to take care of this remote because it's going to control a lot of the functions with this multimedia. Alright, so for those of you asking, pwede ba to sa karaoke? Pwede. Basta meron kayong karaoke machine. Katulad ko, meron akong Platinum Junior. So yung gagawin mo lang dito, you're gonna get this wire and this wire, put it here. Red is to red, white is to white, and then you will just connect it to the audio input, okay? Alright.
Audio input mode.
Audio mode. Hello. Hello. Testing. Hello. Alright guys, can you hear me? Hello. So, pwede naman gamitin for karaoke. It's not gonna be that loud, but pwede na pag pang solo flight lang. So, ayan guys, this is my review for the Konzert KX-400. If you guys want to buy this kind of speaker, it's pretty legit. I'm gonna rate this a 9 out of 10 for the price that it is. So anyways guys, I hope you like this review that I did, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.